Assalamu alaikum students. I am your Pakistan Studies teacher, Ms. Azman Zehra. Today we are going to learn about Indian National Congress, its formation and politics. Indian National Congress, by name Congress Party, broadly based political party of India, which is formed in 1885. This was set up as a broad-based political organization in 1885 to represent the political concerns of all Indians in their dealings with the British. Its birth was held by two liberal-minded British men, Sir Olin Octavian Hume and Sir Henry Cotton. From the start, however, it was dominated by the Hindu majority. At first, it concentrated on making suggestions on social issues to the government. Its aim was to obtain a greater share in government for educated Indians and to create a platform for civic and political dialogues between them and the British Raj. But gradually it became a more political organization. Indian National Congress, which gradually grew to be the most powerful political organization in India, was originally intended to provide a platform or a forum for the Indian politicians to meet early and point out to the government in what respect the administration was faulty and how it could be improved. It had claimed at the time of its inception that it would strive for the safeguard of the interest of all communities in India, irrespective of their religion or political tendencies. For some time in the beginning, Congress did adhere to its promise and displayed a posture of a national organization, but with the time it turned into a pure Hindu body working for the safeguard of the interest of Hindus only. The demands which were projected from the Congress platform appeared very innocent and democratic, but actually were aimed at the complete elimination of Muslims from the Indian society. Politics of Congress. Congress reacted harshly on the Bengal partition and protest against the British decisions. Then Congress started Swadeshi movement, boycotted the foreign goods, promoted the Hindu nationalism. We will learn about Bengal partition and the reaction of Hindus in upcoming lectures. But you can see you can observe how Congress politics wanted to eliminate or exit the Muslims from the subcontinent. Congress showed wretched behavior for the minorities. You have task to do. Discuss about the politics of Indian National Congress. You have to write in the way. You have to write first date of formation. Then people involved. There were two people involved in it. Then causes of formation. Then politics of Indian National Congress. Then what were the consequences? Actually, the consequences were Muslims. Firstly, Muslims supposed it was the party for them as well, but at last they observed and they accepted that Indian National Congress was not working for them. It was only the political party for Hindus. So it was the consequence. You have to write down in your own words and submit your work on KP. Thank you.